Setting other options. To enter the options menu, press and hold the on key. Press options. This is the main supply. So this limits the amount of amps that's allowed to be drawn into the caravan. This is particularly useful if you go onto a site that has only 10 amps or 6 amps, or if it's got 16 amps. This can all be adjusted using the plus and minus key. Water heater boost time. This can be adjusted in 15-minute increments. Screen off. So the screen will go blank after the time that's on the screen there. That's set. Brightness. Set the brightness. Beep on and off. Flashing light. On and off. To return back to the main screen,